Hey guys, we have here our Dodge Hornet, and in this video we want to explain to you how to refill the washer fluid on this car. So the first thing we have to do is we're going to enter from the driver door, and we're going to reach underneath here on the left side. That's where we're going to find a small lever that we can pull in order to open up the hood. So you should be able to hear like some small popping sound. So that releases the hood, and now we can't just easily open up. We have to look underneath here where we find this little yellow lever. We're going to turn that to the left, and then we can easily lift up the hood. And on the right side of the engine compartment here, right next to the battery, that's where we find here this yellow lid. And so there's this tank for the washer fluid. And so now I have here my new washer fluid. I'm going to open up the cap here. You have to press down first in order to open up this lid, and then we're going to slowly and carefully fill the new washer fluid here into the tank. If you are not comfortable just doing it like this, then you can also just use a funnel to help guide the liquid in there. And then we're going to fill it up. Not all the way. I'm just going to leave it a little bit of space in case the liquid expands and it would otherwise overflow. So now we're going to at the end close the cap of the tank again, but also we're going to put the cap back onto the bottle. So now we are already done, and we can now close the engine compartment. So we're going to drop the hood, and we're going to do that with quite a bit of force. So if you don't do it with enough force, then it's just not going to close enough. So then you still are going to be able to see this yellow lever. So you actually have to give it some pressure in order to close it. You don't want to just press on the hood with your finger or with your hand. Otherwise you may damage the hood, you may deform it. Yeah, okay, so this was already it for this video. I hope you found the information helpful. And if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.